Are you a Shopify store owner looking for a seamless way to offer store pickup and local delivery to your customers? Transform your business with the Store Pickup and Delivery app by Creative R. The app allows you to offer local pickup at specific locations and within designated time slots. Additionally, customers can choose local delivery in selected zip codes. By using Store Pickup and Delivery, you can easily set minimum pickup days, preparation times, specific rates for local pickup and delivery, and blackout dates. Managing local orders is simple with customizable tags, and you can limit the number of pickups per time slot or restrict specific dates to streamline operations during busy seasons. All these features create a seamless shopping experience that encourages more returning customers. Installation takes just 2 minutes, and our 5-star support team is always ready to assist. Say goodbye to extra shipping fees and hello to a more efficient, customer-friendly pickup and delivery solution that works on all Shopify plans and is easy to use. Install the Store Pickup and Delivery app, and let's grow your business together.